What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel where I help you monetize your time and not waste it. So I have tried over 30 different money-making apps and online side hustles so that you don't have to. And today I want to give you a review of the Survey Junkie app in 3 minutes or less so you can start making money from your phone. If you find value in these 3-minute app reviews, then definitely like and subscribe, and I will review more apps that I have personally made money from. Now, when I look for money-making apps or side hustles, the only two questions that matter are how much can I make and is it worth my time? So to jump right into it, Survey Junkie is a legit app that pays you to take surveys and share your feedback with brands. And here is just some of the money that I've cashed out from Survey Junkie. So for example, one time I made $66 from taking surveys. Another time I made 16 bucks. And another time I made $12.50, just to give you an example. Now, of course, results vary, and it depends on how much time you put into completing the surveys on the app. So here's basically how it works. You download the app, you complete your profile to get surveys that match, you take the surveys anywhere, anytime, and on any device, and then you earn points by successfully completing each survey. Now, the way the point system works is that you gain points, and each point is about 1 cent. So each 100 points equals $1. Now, I typically don't like points-based apps, but gaining points was fairly easy and it does not take long to start making money. Also, you even get points for just taking a survey even if you don't qualify. To cash out, you need a minimum of $10 or 1,000 points. So is this app worth it? From my experience, this is one of the few survey apps that's worth it to download. Essentially, you download an app, you take short surveys in your spare time, and you make a few extra bucks each month. What's not to like? Now I have two main tips to share. Number one, get paid cash, not e-gift cards. Now it's completely up to you whether to redeem your points for cash or e-gift cards. But for me, when I download money-making apps, I download them to make, well, money. So unless you really love Amazon, or you're like my wife and love spending money every day at Target, then just get cash by sending the money to PayPal or your bank. Number two, do this in your spare time. So this app is not going to make you rich, but taking a couple of minutes while you watch Netflix or on your lunch break is a great way to make a few extra bucks. Finally, as promised, I'm going to show you how to sign up in 3 easy steps. So step 1, stop watching this YouTube video, click the link in the description and download the Survey Junkie app. It's very straightforward to sign up and all you need is your email address. Yes, the link is an affiliate link that I have, just like every single YouTube content creator who talks about Survey Junkie. But I have actually used the app for years, not just a few hours. And signing up with this link is no cost to you and it helps support the channel. And if you are going to hang out on YouTube a little longer, then check out more great money-making content from my channel. Now step 2, set a goal and just try it out. You actually have more to gain than to lose by downloading this app and making a couple of extra bucks from your spare time. So try it for a week or a month and see how much you make and go from there. And finally, step 3, check out the Efficient Finances website for more great money-making apps, side hustles, and remote jobs so you can start making money from the comfort of your home. The site and the channel exist to help you monetize your time, not waste it. So thanks for checking out the video and go make that money.